3/4 camera. I want to talk to you about UV filters, something you should get to protect each one of your lenses. Why are there so many options in the UV filter? Let's start with the yellow box. Yellow box ProMaster filters are budget friendly. So if your limitation is depth of pocketbook, hey, that's a good alternative to run to. What happens when you go up the food chain to the blue box, the digital filters? You get a filter that's got multi-coatings on both sides. It's going to reduce flare, lens flare, and sensor flare. It's got a black almite frame with a lower profile and a knurling edge and superior optical quality. Better light transmission means more light's hitting your sensor, better contrast, sharpness, and color saturation. And then we move up the food chain to the HGX filters, my personal favorites. It's going to bring along all the characteristics of the blue box, but hardened optical glass. Really difficult to scratch these things. And also it has a coating on it, an additional coating called Repellimax. And Repellimax is going to, well, it repels dust and moisture. If you get snot on the thing and you go to wipe it off, it comes off clean. We're going to show you what happens when we take a Sharpie to a regular filter and a Sharpie to the HGX filter. You're going to be amazed. Check this out. Okay guys, here we have two filters and I'm using a Sharpie marker of industrial strength. When I go and apply this Sharpie to the regular filter, you can see it leave its mark and nasty. I do the same thing over here on the HGX filter, and when I mark on it, it immediately starts to bead up. So what happens when I use a microfiber cloth and try to wipe these off, I'm using no chemistry, I try to wipe off this normal filter and that stuff's on there, it's encrusted. Go to wipe off the same thing on the HGX filter, and because of the Repellimax, I'm able to cleanly wipe it off with no residue. HGX filters with Repellimax, man, I think it's worth the extra investment.